Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you guys haven't heard yet, Trump just passed the US stimulus bill. It's the biggest stimulus bill in the world that's ever been, well, at least in America, that's ever been passed, for over $2 trillion to help with everything that is going on. And most importantly, for us here at the Rideshare Hub, there was a specific section in that bill that applies specifically towards gig workers, which includes Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash, any food delivery or Instacart shopper. But mostly for this channel, Uber and Lyft drivers. But basically anybody who works as a gig worker, they can apply, or they can apply for, well, firstly you can get the check, the $1,200 check. And then also you can get unemployment benefits. So a lot of people are already claiming their applying for unemployment. A lot of people already making hundreds of dollars per week. It's I believe it's 600. Don't quote me on this. Please go apply for yourself and see. But it is $600 per week plus an additional on whatever you can apply. So a lot of people are not working right now, choosing not to work and to apply for unemployment. If that is enough money for you, you know, if 600 bucks a week, I think it's up to 600 bucks a week. I don't know, but it's definitely better than nothing. So, you know, basically you can choose, you can see how much you'll get when you apply. So you can do the math and see, oh, how much you make at your current job versus, or driving Uber and Lyft versus how much you can make in unemployment. So that's what we're talking about today. I did have a lot of people saying, oh my gosh, I can't believe you're talking about this for Uber and Lyft drivers. This is such clickbait. It's for everyone. Well, it's a lot for Americans, but like there's a specific deal, there's specific you know, attachment to this whole stimulus bill that is applied directly for gig workers. And maybe you guys know, but the Uber CEO actually reached out to Donald Trump to include something like this for gig workers. And so this is a huge win for drivers for the first time. So I'm gonna make it super quick, super simple, super quick, just so you guys know exactly how to apply. I'm gonna sync up my phone here and you guys can go with me. But yeah guys, this is how Uber drivers can apply for unemployment. You go to careerone-stop.org/local-help/unemployment benefits/find unemployment-benefits.aspx. So anyways, so you go to that link here. I'll put the link in the comment, in the top comment. By the way guys, I'm juicing right now. Oh my gosh, this is the greens one, vegetable juice. Here we go guys. This is it, Career One Stop, your source for career exploration, training, and jobs. So this is the site here. Again, I'm gonna keep this super simple, super short, you know. But you go down here, an employer temporarily ceases operations, preventing employees from coming to work, and individuals, like, these are the government is allowing new options for states to amend their laws to provide unemployment insurance. For example, federal law allows states to pay benefits where, yeah, these are those if you're an individual leaves employment due to a risk or exposure or infection or to care for a family member. So that's the biggest clause, in my opinion. If you don't want to drive for Uber or Lyft because you think that it risks exposure. So the biggest thing, guys, and this is why it's so important to Uber and Lyft drivers, is because this is how I understand it, is that in the past, this law would apply to an employee, somebody who works at a big company, somebody who's on a W-2. If you don't know what W-2 is, it basically is your tax, like, section. We're 1099 workers, I guess. So the Uber CEO reached out to Trump and said, hey, we either need to temporarily make gig workers employees, or you need to include gig workers in the bill. So that's what happened, and now gig workers can apply for unemployment, even though you're not technically an employee, whatever. This is like, they say, you know what, there's so many gig workers in the country. So here you go, well, it works, guys. So yeah, and people are already doing it. It's pretty nuts. So select a state. Select your state. For me, it's California. And in a second, I'm gonna show you guys just how much money you can make too. So you search California, yeah, and then you fill out this, like you download this here, the insurance program, and then you just go with it there. So that's careeronestop.org. Now, hold on, let's see how much money you can get. I'm in a Facebook group. I'm currently not applying for unemployment. Oh guys, by the way, you can't double dip. So if you're going out and working and also doing unemployment, like the point of unemployment is you're not gonna work, so you're staying at home. So you can't do both. I know a lot of people ask that. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys, what's his name? Joe Ryan. He's in my group. Let's see if I can bring it up. Just hold on 1 second, guys. I'm gonna show you, if you're wondering how much you can get, here, I'm gonna show you really quick. This guy's name is Joe Ryan. He posted in our group. Here we go. FYI, Uber Lyft drivers can get unemployment per the past bill, which means you can get an additional $600 per week. So this post absolutely blew up in the group. And I wanted just to show you guys. Yeah, look at this. Stephanie Maxwell said, so I finished all my unemployment and I'll be getting $920 a week. By the way, guys, I'm totally allowed to shout people's names out because they are posting on Facebook. Like, come on. Everything's public. So she's getting $920 a week. Not bad at all. So what's that? That's almost 50K a year. 920 times 52. She claims she's getting 47 grand a year, you know, on average. Joe Ryan says 860 for him. A week, guys, per week. Oh, look at this. Christina says, try and understand that. How does someone who drives Uber get employment for $960 a week? South Carolina has a cap of $350, I've heard. Joe Ryan says, add the $600 a week stimulus to that. So for her, it would be $950. That's pretty good. Jennifer Rollins says up to $600. You're not guaranteed $600. Honestly, in my opinion, if you're choosing not to work already, and you're already unemployed, might as well apply, you know what I mean? Like, this basically just handing it to you. But you still need to apply. I applied for Texas yesterday and never asked me how much I made. Same thing, didn't ask me, just gave me a confirmation number. They go by your previous year's taxes, I guess, guys. Yeah. So it is supposed to be 50% of state average plus 600. No idea. I've heard CMOS was for less than anyone who makes 75 grand. Yeah, guys, so the $1,200 is for anybody who makes under 75 grand. Sorry, this lady's walking two dogs and she's staring me down. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to share this information with you guys just so you guys are completely updated with how to apply for it. Let me know if you do have any questions at all. I will be happy to answer or direct you to, you know, a reliable source where you can get your information. Where'd that lady go? Oh, she lives right there. Maybe that's why she was looking at me, because she lives across the street. But yeah, guys, anyways, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.